Hi, welcome in.
Thank you so much. And it's been such an amazing session with so much of positivity around from you and Jyoti and even Priya, Dr. Priya, whatever she mentioned. And I'm so glad I'm speaking on such an amazing platform. I would like to thank you all for, the amazing sessions that are coming up, every week. I think I've attended three of them and they were really empowering and life-changing for sure. Now, coming to Jyoti, I have known her for a really long time, and I don't know any area which she has not changed in my life. And in fact, not only my life, even before she was a healer, she has touched so many lives with her work, her dedication, her tips, that after coming into this healing world, it has only upgraded so well. So I am so glad that there are so many people watching her, so many people who are going to come up to her. The one thing I like to tell about her is that she is a giver. She is a giver. She gives herself up completely to the person she's talking to, irrespective of the time that she has known the person. The other thing I like to say is that she will never change a thing about you. You can be yourself with her and you can talk about anything under the sun with her about any issue you're facing in your life. And she has these visions where she'll just suddenly tell you that what is blocking you, what you need to do. In fact, she will tell you about dreams and things which you've not shared with anyone, and she can see them in her visions. That's the power of healing that she has. And I actually understood that people would like to think this way, that it'll be a package which will work for everyone, but that will not be true, because when she will meet you, she will work on different areas of your life depending which area needs healing or where she's seeing issues. And because she has learned so many techniques, she knows tarots, she knows crystals, she knows past life regression. So depending on what she feels for you, she's going to heal you with that. And trust me, half your issues are going to be solved when you open your heart to her. The other half are going to be solved after, she gives her tips and when you start implementing them. The one thing that even she mentioned some time back was be open and don't be hard on yourself. And that will also open up so many blockages that which you would have faced, in your life. When I come to my personal experience, there have been times where I have gone to her for counseling for issues which she has been able to solve. Including, I am actually not very tall. I'm short in height and I became overweight after my graduation. But with her combination of switch words and crystals and uh, other things that she used, I have lost almost 4 5 kgs. She helped me heal my heart chakra. The moment she keeps her hand on your heart, you're going to feel some divine energy come into you. When she keeps her hand on your head, you're going to feel like some angel is blessing you. For me, she has been an angel in so many areas of my life. I cannot even begin to tell. But all I can tell is she does a fantastic job. And by just talking to her out, you're going to feel so relaxed. And sometimes you don't even have to tell her anything because she'll only know things which maybe you might have not even thought that you're facing in your life. So I'd like to really bring up one thing here. So actually, my mom was a cancer patient, and she used to be with her for healing and being there with her during her chemos and all. And the way she has used switch words, and I don't know what all she has used, but my mom had cancer in 2017 and 2020 as well. Just 2 weeks back, her report has come clear. And I know for sure Jyoti has worked on her so well, so beautifully, that my mom has come out of such a, uh, you know, uh, such a disease with so much grace. I'm sure she must have felt pain and weakness, but it was much less compared to when I see other cancer patients. So thank you so much, Jyoti, for always being there and being a giver and just accepting people for the way they are and not judging them and to guide them. I think I spoke a lot, but there's much more to her which you'll experience when you meet her in person. Thank you so much. Words are not enough to thank you.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much, Ami. Thank you so much. You're really the nectar. Amrit, thank you
Thank
for
you.
sharing something so personal,
No.
seriously.
I'll just wish all the best to all of you. This platform is so beautiful. It is touching lives beautifully, and I'm sure it's going to create much more magic. More power to all you women there. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that. Thank you for taking the time out. And thank you so much for sharing. Ami, thank you so much.